God says, I am restoring everything the enemy stole from you. Every tear you cried in the dark, I saw it. Every sleepless night, every shattered plan, every door slammed shut, I was there. You wondered if I had forgotten you, if I had looked away. But I never left. I never turned my face from you. I was working in the background, shaping something far greater than what was lost. You may have felt robbed of time, relationships, peace, joy, even finances. But hear me clearly, I am a God of restoration, not just recovery. I don't return what was lost in the same form. I make it better, stronger, deeper, sweeter. This is your season to recover it all. The enemy tried to break you, to wear you down until you gave up. But you didn't. You stood. Even with shaking legs, you kept your faith. You pressed on. You chose to trust even when everything around you said give up. And now I am honoring that faith. I am restoring years that were taken by fear, addiction, doubt, heartbreak, betrayal, and delay. What was once in ashes is being reborn in beauty. I am breathing life into dead dreams. I am rebuilding the parts of you that felt empty. You will not leave this season empty-handed. Restoration is not just about getting things back, it's about renewal. It's about reclaiming your identity, your worth, your joy. For too long, you walked with your head down, questioning your value. But I say to you now, lift your eyes. You are mine. You are royalty. You are chosen. I am healing the wounds no one else can see. The emotional scars. The silent battles. The quiet questions. I am touching places in your heart that you've kept hidden, even from yourself. Where others gave up on you, I never did. I saw who you were before the pain. And I see who you will be after the restoration. The enemy took some things from you, yes. But I allowed the loss to teach you something deeper, resilience, compassion, wisdom. And now that you've learned, now that your roots have grown deeper, it's time to bloom. You will laugh again. You will dance again. You will dream again. Don't be surprised when joy begins to return in unexpected ways. When the heaviness begins to lift. When opportunities begin to come from places you didn't even know existed. That's me working. That's restoration unfolding. I'm restoring peace in your home. The tension, the arguing, the cold silences, it's breaking. I'm softening hearts. I'm healing conversations. I'm bringing unity back where division tried to take hold. I'm restoring your finances. I know it's been tight. I know you've juggled bills and needs, trying to stretch what didn't stretch. But I'm sending provision, supernatural, unexpected, abundant, new streams of income, favor in places where doors were once closed. You will not just survive, you will thrive. I'm restoring your confidence. You've doubted yourself for too long. You've believed lies spoken over you, and internalized limitations. But I'm washing those lies away. You will walk into rooms with a quiet confidence, not rooted in arrogance, but in knowing you belong there, because I sent you. I'm restoring your purpose. You've wandered, unsure of where to go next. But clarity is coming. I'm opening your eyes to see the gifts I placed in you. I'm awakening passion again. You'll wake up with purpose, with vision, with joy. And yes, I'm restoring relationships. Some people are returning, not all, but the ones meant to walk this next season with you. I'm repairing what seemed broken beyond repair. I'm teaching both sides to love better, to forgive deeper, to grow together. But know this, not everything lost needs to return. Some losses were protection. Some doors were my hand shielding you. Let go of what I've removed. What I'm bringing is better, fuller, richer. Restoration is not about going backward, it's about rising forward. You're stepping into a divine turnaround. You'll start to feel it in your spirit first. Peace returning, hope rising, faith awakening. Then it will begin to show in the physical, doors opening, emails coming, phone calls that change everything, checks arriving, solutions revealing themselves. I am turning the tide. Where you once felt forgotten, you'll now feel favored. Where you once felt stuck, you'll feel momentum. Where you once were afraid, you'll be bold. Because I go before you. Because I walk with you. Because I restore everything that was lost. This is not a maybe. This is a promise. Hold on to it. Speak it aloud. Believe it, even if you don't feel it yet. Because faith is not about feelings, it's about trust. And I'm worthy of your trust. So today, shake off the fear. Lift up your head. Prepare yourself for good news. You will receive back what you thought was gone. With interest. With blessing. With beauty. Because I restore. Because I love you. Because you are mine. If you received this word, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this message today.